Lawyers representing Narain Kublal, his wife and neighbor, who will face the courts on Monday for unlawful possession of guns and ammunition on the night of May 11, 2015 during the Sophia unrest, are arguing that it is extraordinarily difficult for one to understand the basis of the criminal charges which they now have to face. Attorney-at-law Anil Nandlal.
This is a complete and utter abuse of the criminal justice system. These persons are innocent. They are the victims of violence, of arson, of looting, of malicious damage to property, of assault, of wounding, and persons have been charged with the most trivial of offenses.
Nandlal produced documents showing that Baby Prasad is and has been licensed to carry a .32 firearm handgun since 1998. He also showed documents for Narain Kublal, who is a member of the South Turkana Community Policing Group, who Nandlal says has been authorized and licensed to possess a shotgun. He is questioning the motive of the police.
1 year after, they are dragged before the courts, and after 1 year, the police gets it wrong. They file the wrong charge. So these people now, they voluntarily came here, and they now have to go back home. They brought their lawyers ready to answer the charges. The charges have been withdrawn, and we are told that new charges are going to be filed and will be served on them. And they will have to come back to court. So after 1 year of waiting, the charges have been filed wrongly. And they will have to come back again. And I asked the magistrate to take that into account when the question of bail, because I will request that not a single cent should be asked of these people to post as bail. If any order is made requesting them to lodge bail, in my view, the criminal justice system will open itself further.
Attorney Priya Manikchand also voiced her displeasure over the matter. She summed it up as political persecution.
This is nothing more than political harassment. These are victims of something the entire country recognized happened on election day in a particular area, Sophia. If you would recall, the reason these people's house was set afire, looted, the people were beaten, their vehicles burnt, their horse burnt, was because there was a rumor that went around that they had ballot boxes in there. This is an election day offense.
Manikchand says the police need to get their act together after investigating the matter for an entire year.
It is most unfortunate. Look, I have witness summons here. These people had many charges. They had many persons who stole from them and burned their vehicles and thieved their TV and so on charged. Those charges have not been completed. So apparently, if you're a victim in these kinds of circumstances, you're victimized twice, in the system as well as on the event.
Travis Chase, HGP Nightly News.